Well, my name's Gene Graham. I'm the owner and operator here at Economy Glass and Hoppers Crossing, and in this video I'm going to explain why we love partnering with local bathroom renovation companies and how we can help streamline your process for all glass and glazing related products in your next renovation. Stay tuned. Well, firstly, you're easy to deal with. Because you're tradies just like us, you understand the importance of great details and ensuring that a job plays out exactly how it should to ensure that the customer gets the product delivered at the right time. And that all comes down to the information that we provided. Once we have that initial consultation with you, we try and hone in on exactly what you require and how you want this job to play out, and then we adhere to that protocol. You guys understand the importance of using high quality products and also taking your time to get a high quality finish so that the customer is completely happy when they get their new bathroom. You're organised and every little detail counts. You want the job to work like clockwork. Your reputation is your business just like ours, and you want every aspect of that job to go completely smoothly for the customer. If you're looking for a reputable and reliable local glass and glazing company for your next project, then feel free to get in touch. We'd love to work with you. Economy Glass is easy to find. Just punch our details into Google or Apple Maps and it'll bring you straight here. We're located at 415 Old Geelong Road in the service lane on the left hand side, heading east towards Melbourne. We're the big yellow building, you can't miss us.